This rapid tour uncovers history's odd patents where function met whimsy and bold experimentations sparked enduring curiosity for curious minds. Electric corsets promise to train posture and deliver gentle jolts through lightweight circuits woven into fashion. Anti-snore helmets aim to curb overnight clamor by sensing breathing and delivering subtle feedback through a snug helmet. These designs reveal a mindset where necessity meets whimsy and forgotten tech hints at today's wellness tools. By the end, viewers crave more stories of daring inventions that vanished yet quietly shaped tomorrow.